Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn about view holders. We created this inner class, myViewHolder. Inner is a keyword used to declare inner classes. Inner classes can access the members, including properties and methods of the outer class, in this case, the sports adapter. The constructor of myViewHolder takes a single parameter, itemView, which of type view, which is a reference to the view representing an individual item in the recycler view. This view is typically inflated from the item layout. And this class, myViewHolder, will act as a view holder since we extended from the RecyclerView.ViewHolder class. Again, guys, ViewHolder used to hold the references to the views within each item in the recycler view. You'll define and initialize the views, example, text views, image views, within the item layout in this class. This is usually done in the init block or directly in the constructor. And this is what I'm going to do next. Here, I'll start with var sports image, it's of type image view, and var sports name, it's of type text view, and Alt plus Enter to import the classes. And here in the init block, I need to initialize these widgets. So sports image equals to item view, I'm referring for this view, dot find view by id r.id dot image view card, and the sports name equals to item view dot find view by id r.id dot, we go back, it's named as text view. I'm referencing these and initializing these widgets that I declared them into the card item layout, this image view and this text view. Okay, so this is how we use the view holders in Android.